Gojo versus Makima. Yo, I don't give a fuck. I don't know who this Makima person is from Chainsaw. But look, all I know is that boy Gojo son is Timothy, alright, nigga? He not losing. He not losing, bro.
This episode is sponsored by BetterHelp and
He not losing, brody. I don't care. I don't care.
Satoru Gojo.
Hey, say that again. Say that again. Satoru
Gojo.
Jujutsu
Kaisen Sorcerer
I'll play that way.
Chainsaw Man's head of Tokyo Public Safety.
These two paranormal mentors are so strong that they change the very worlds they exist in.
He's Wiz and I'm Boomstick.
And it's our job to analyze their weapons, armor, and skills to find out who would win.
I didn't even drink a lot and I felt that shit. Didn't even drink a lot and I felt that shit.
Japan, December 7th, 1989. Satoru Gojo was born, and the world changed.
And in the world of Jujutsu Kaisen, invisible, cursed spirits born from negativity threaten humanity.
So it's cool,
to do battle with them.
And what better way to learn the trade than to sign up for Tokyo Jujutsu
on the main channel.
At this institution, a sorcerer will learn to harness their cursed energy, or the spiritual manifestation of intense emotion.
It's like
can't drink it. I keep trying to, but like
therapy.
With it, sorcerers
so
can
nasty,
boost their physicality and perform devastating curse techniques. Anything from voodoo dolls to swapping places with mere claps.
And lucky for humanity, Satoru Gojo's the best sensei a sorcerer could ask for.
Gojo isn't just the best, he's known as the strongest. His very birth forced the strength of curses to exponentially rise. Like witnessing a world record get broken, cursed society shifted to match the might of Gojo's presence.
As a kid, Gojo knew he was the shit. He mastered the art of
he just knew he was the shit.
Hoops and the curse murdering, all alongside Suguru Geto, his sorcerer BFF.
Together, they planned on changing Jujutsu society for the better.
And if anyone could do it, Gojo could. Thanks to his bloodline, he got one of the most busted anime powers ever, Limitless.
Limitless grants Gojo a nigh-perfect defense by actualizing the very concept of infinity.
It creates an infinite space around himself, stopping anything coming his way. The dude is literally untouchable.
Kind of. Gojo tailored Limitless to automatically detect an object's mass.
I'm already watching the whole thing because I haven't seen. I watched Chainsaw Man like 2 episodes and I stopped watching. It wasn't boring enough. I just got out of it. I might have to finish one day.
Think of it this way: if you're trying to get from point A to point B, first you gotta go halfway, then you gotta go another halfway, then another and another, and so on. With Limitless, you'll never arrive, just like my alimony payments.
Hence, infinity.
So cool, bro. He's so fucking cool, man.
Creates a spatial force field around Gojo at all times.
It's him, bro. He's actually him.
This level would burn out other sorcerers in seconds. That's where Gojo's incredible 6 eyes come in. They let him see and near perfectly control cursed energy at the atomic level. So he'll basically never run out of juice in a fight. He isn't just built different, he was born different.
6 Eyes and Limitless gave Gojo the power to manipulate space itself. Gojo's Lapse Blue technique attracts and condenses space into singularities. With Reversal Red, Gojo
that boy don't play, man. That boy don't play, but how
does one accomplish this with cursed energy? With math!
That was Jugo. Yo, like, can we be for real, bro? Like, I don't even think I'm spoiling this shit, but like, Gojo, Jogo, whatever the fuck you want to call it, Jogo. Yo, Jogo should have been dead like 5 times already. I don't care. He should have been fucking dead at least 5 times already. Like, I don't know how this nigga just keep why do you niggas keep letting him live? Kill his little volcano ass. I'm tired of that nigga, bro. I be really tired of that nigga, bro. He need to be dead,
curse
bro.
energy is typically negative like with blue, but when multiplied
they just be surviving and shit. Always finding a way. Niggas like a roach.
Positive, creating red.
Oh, strawberry and blueberry.
So, what happens when you combine a positive and a negative?
Grape?
0. By combining Reversal Red and Lapse Blue, Gojo creates Hollow Purple, an enormous ball of curse energy that literally applies the concept of 0 to an opponent, crushing and repelling them into nothing.
Gojo's a walking cursed Swiss
that
Army knife.
I liked him too, though. He was cold as fuck. I keep forgetting his name though, but like he was cold. Like, was it Toji? I think it was like Toji or something. Toji was so fire.
And he's constantly refreshing.
Hold on, I want to actually make sure though, because I'm like he was so fire though. Like he just came in and started fucking this nigga up. Yeah, it was Toji. I was smart. I knew what I was talking about, nigga. Shit, I'm a nerd, nigga. I knew what I was talking
24/7 to keep up
Boy,
with all
Toji was
this.
so fire.
There's one technique that costs more cursed energy than anything else in a sorcerer's repertoire.
Every sorcerer is born with an innate domain, a mental world shaped by their mind and heart.
Add cursed energy
Damn,
to
bro,
it, and these
2021
domains
now.
can
Like
be
usually I
manifest-
used to take my goddamn ID everywhere. Now I got to and shit. Cause like I'm 21 now and shit. Like I gotta let niggas know now and shit. I gotta take that shit everywhere now for real.
manifested physically, a technique called domain expansion.
Every sorcerer worth their salt needs one, and you know damn well Gojo has the scariest.
Yes, the
unlimited
fuck
void.
you do,
get
boy.
caught in this,
Yeah,
your
the
ass
fuck
is
you
grass.
do.
Exposure to unlimited void overloads your consciousness with a stream of infinite information.
Jesus
a mere fifth of a
Christ.
second of exposure can leave a normal person in a vegetated state for months.
Too bad it requires so much energy you can only do it like once a day. Oh wait, except for Gojo, who has done it multiple times in a row. Thanks again,
Damn.
Six Eyes.
Quite frankly, Gojo was getting
God,
so
yo,
strong.
Satoru, like you him, bro. Like you're him, bro. Like you're him. Like you're the definition of himothy, my nigga. Like this nigga's the definition. Am I dick rider? Am I glazing? It don't matter.
But
It's
the
fucking
axis
Gojo,
of the
nigga. The fuck?
Jujutsu world began to
It's Gojo,
turn
nigga.
on him. Like the meta of a fighting game defined by one broken character, he defined the hierarchy of power in the sorcerer world. He alone was the honored one.
His mere presence can cause earthquakes. He outran sonic explosions and applied cursed energy within a microsecond.
Gojo has been repeatedly stated by many to be the strongest sorcerer there is.
That includes his
strongest.
ex-student Hikari, who can dodge lightning, or this little volcano-headed cursed Jogo,
Fuck
the
this nigga.
embodiment of humanity's fear of fire, who can bring
That
down
nigga needs to die. I'm
city-shattering
tired of
meteors,
seeing him.
and Gojo kicked his ass with zero effort.
But strength alone was not enough to fix his cursed world. When Geto rejected Jujutsu Society to forge his own justice, Gojo's philosophy changed. Instead of doing everything himself, he would teach a new generation of sorcerers to carry the torch when he could not.
It's all about setting an example. If it means a world where his companions can stand shoulder to shoulder as equals, who cares if he's gotta show off a bit?
This episode of Death Battle is sponsored by HelloFresh.
HelloFresh
Yeah, I
is
fuck with y'all getting your money and shit. Like, let's get to it, bro. Alright. This is what I need to watch, cause I don't know nothing about this nigga, bro.
What a
2 episodes and I don't know
beautiful
shit
day.
still.
The sun is shining.
Only
the
thing I was paying
birds
attention.
are singing.
and a giant AK-47
What the
carpet
fuck?
bombed the neighborhood. The sky rains blood. Millions are dead. Dear God, whiz, it's the end times. Run away!
Calm down, there's no reason to panic.
The fuck?
It's just that in the world of Chainsaw Man, devils exist, and your fear makes them stronger.
Oh.
Never mind. Panic.
Remember that spider you
Said
shrieked
panic.
at, or the last time you cut yourself dicing
Hold on,
onions?
bro. I'm tired, bro. Freckles, my nigga, go sit down, bro. God damn, bro.
The spider and knife devils are the monstrous products of your nightmares, and they hate you specifically.
The fearsome gun devil stood as the epitome of terror and destruction, and was responsible for a countless loss of lives. But a group was formed to combat it and the other devils that plagued humanity, the Devil Hunters.
Live in Japan and got yourself a pesky zombie problem? It's
Hold
time
on,
to call the
got a
4th
scratch.
Division of the Public Safety Devil Extermination.
A government-funded devil hunter unit led by a stone-cold vixen, Makima.
She's dressed like
Makima.
Columbo with a blank stare and a sadistic streak. She's been in the game for a while and just found herself a new prize.
The union of man and pet devil dog, Denji,
Ew.
the Chainsaw Man. Upon meeting him, she gave him a choice.
It's like a good
Live under
anime
her
that I need
as
to
a
watch,
human
bro. I don't know why I haven't
dog, or
watched this
die
shit.
by her hand
I'm
as
not
a
really worried
devil.
about the spoiler that they
Sounds
giving
sketch,
out right now. I
but
really don't care.
Denji's brain was set to teenage boy, and Makima's hot.
I just wanna see
So in
Gojo with
short
this bitch
order,
ass.
Makima got a new
You know
pet.
what? 'Cause I already know what's gonna
May
happen.
seem terrifying at first, but she is a dog lover and a cinephile. Though you'd be
Oh my god, she was in the
ill-advised
first
to
2
mess with her.
episodes. Yo, she actually's insane. I remember her. She actually's insane, but I don't know what the fuck. She ain't do no powers or nothing.
Position, you'd expect
think-
her to know how to
I don't
defend
remember.
herself. Martial arts here, swordplay there, but devil hunters like Makima become real threats when they make contracts with devils. A classic Faustian bargain. Give something of yourself. The devil gives you power.
She can call death upon anyone she chooses
Oh.
through a complicated ritual and even survive being shot through the head.
Because, as
Huh?
they say in the devil hunter world, you need your screws loose to
Ah,
live.
nigga, what? It been surviving bullets and shit. Like, no, for real. Like, she's surviving bullets and shit. Like, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? She good? She good? Headshot? Head taps? Like, she a zombie? She just surviving them shit? Like, it ain't shit. All right. Yo, why is this one going up and when the other side going down? Like, just pissing me off. Like, bitch, do one, nigga. Fuck my fault. Has to be pissing me off, like beanies and shit. I think I gotta. It's my hair though, probably, bro. Like, you know how hard it was to get my head into this fucking beanie, nigga. Hold on, I'm checking my phone just in case your grandma texts me or something. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Let me raise this bitch up, bro. She keep thinking I'm talking to bitches and shit. Like, damn, bro. She think I'm fucking somebody right now, like. She dead. I think I'm deep in somebody's guts right now.
But she might have more than a few screws loose because, in actuality, Makima is a devil herself.
Gasp! There's no way this clearly evil character could be a villain in disguise.
The Japanese government has been keeping a close eye on Makima ever since she was born. Rightfully so. She isn't some F-tier scrub like the Bat or Leech Devils. She's the Control Devil, embodying humanity's collective fear of the oppressor. In a way, she's even more terrifying than the Gun Devil.
Makima can exert absolute...
I don't care about all this devil shit she is and what she doing and shit. She ain't being my boy Satoru.
Mental control over any
and y'all gonna prove that
to
me though. Y'all gonna show me that she not being Satoru and shit. Y'all
people, animals, even other devils become puppets under her command. She can even hijack their senses to listen and see whatever she wants.
As a devil, Makima's far stronger, faster, and more durable than the average person.
Plus, her metabolism lets her slam down as many beers as she wants to. So, Makima,
I'm trying to get like her. Shit.
Alcoholic rednecks,
ew! What the fuck are they doing?
Blood, she can heal her injuries. And her sense of smell is so potent that it can spot targets from over 300 miles away.
Man, Gojo, come fuck this bitch up, bro.
Your mind, but your body too with telekinesis. She can mess up your internal organs or blow you away with finger guns. She doesn't shoot you with invisible bullets. She points at you and then a wound just happens out of nowhere. She controls all sorts of things with these ghostly chains.
Okay, this bitch kind of crazy though. Like, what's up? Like, she just...
Makima has plenty of devils in her collection. There's the massive Fox Devil, the Future Devil for precognition, and a ton of devils that exist just to stab you.
But I'm definitely all about the blow shit up devil, the undead party devil, the flamethrower devil, and the unholy matrimony that's the angel devil, which will make you see God before you die.
Damn.
After about the 20th time, seeing God gets kind of old. Anyway, like other devils, Makima can form contracts with people to give them power.
But unlike other devils, her control powers allow her to force people into contracts that exclusively benefit her.
Like when she forced Japan's prime minister into a contract that states, and I quote, any attack made on her will be changed into appropriate illnesses or accidents among Japanese citizens.
Damn.
What?
The verbiage of Makima's contract is worded specifically so that she quickly heals from any damage that is
perceived
like to be an attack.
She got backdoored.
Some poor random citizen of Japan.
Oh man, imagine
what the fuck is even going on here?
Makima gets hit and whoops, guess you're wiping at the pearly gates.
With these abilities and contracts, Makima set out to create the world that she wanted. No more pain, no more war, no more bad movies. The world would be
bad
perfect,
movies.
But she needed the Chainsaw Devil to do so, who just so happened to be living as Denji's heart.
Yep, that cute doggo is actually the Chainsaw Devil. Oh, talk about
so
shitty
cute.
luck, kid.
In the depths of hell, Makima watched in awe as the Chainsaw Devil literally ate devils and eradicated plagues from existence. Because of the Chainsaw Devil, in this world, concepts like nuclear bombs, HIV, and even Nazis do not exist.
He literally ate the concept of Nazis out of existence.
However, as Makima didn't see Denji or the Chainsaw Devil as beneath her, she could not directly control him. She needed to manipulate him. So she decided to build Denji up and then tear him down as cruelly as possible.
First, she murdered Denji's found family one by one.
Then she made Chainsaw Man into a public hero, stripping him of the power devils receive by being
When we gonna start calling bitches insane and tell them that they need to go to an asylum and shit? Cause this Makima bitch, she needs to go to an asylum or something. This is not okay.
Let's be honest. Precious Chainsaw Devil and make him press backspace on anything she didn't like.
Her telekinetic bangs shot the Chainsaw Devil out of orbit, and they stalemated the Darkness Devil, which embodies humanity's greatest fears.
Makima's stronger than devils like the Bomb Devil, who can easily blow up buildings, or the Typhoon Devil, which made city-spanning storms.
And while fighting the Gun Devil Fragment, this large behemoth moved over 300 miles in a few seconds.
She was pretty much unbeatable, though ultimate power can make it pretty lonely at the top.
Makima's quest may have been to make the world a better place through domination, but the truth she was never willing to admit to herself was that she really wanted to understand human emotion. After all, you can't control someone and love them at the same time.
Too bad she never quite found the answer she was looking for when the Chainsaw Man defeated her once and for all by cutting her to pieces, cooking her into a 7-course feast, and fucking ate her?
Believe it or not, the love Makima tried to understand was her undoing.
Wait, this nigga pulled a Jeffrey Dahmer on their ass? Like, what's going on? Like, what is this anime, bro? Like, what is happening, bro? This nigga just ate her? Like, he just ate her. Like, what? Like, a full course meal, put her into, like, hella dishes and shit. That's not normal,
Cutting her to pieces, cooking her into a 7-course feast, and fucking ate her?
Believe it or not, the love Makima tried to understand was her undoing. Despite the hell she put him through, Denji still loved Makima in his own way. So the act of devouring her was its own act of love and did not count as an attack, bypassing her immortality.
Completely batshit insane.
I feel like she's gonna come back to life.
For you. Who knows, Wiz? Eventually, the Control Devil will come back, though it won't be Makima.
While her path back to hell was paved with good intentions, in the world of devils, it's no surprise that Makima came so close to her ideal future.
That bitch is crazy.
This episode of Death Battle is sponsored by
Nigga, stop with this BetterHelp shit.
Have you ever felt that
Alright, bro.
brain...
Alright, bro. I used to use that shit.
All right, the combatants are set. We've run the data through all possibilities.
But first, a couple of rules for a unique fight like this one.
Yo, Satoru, bro, beat her fucking ass. Nigga, word to nigga, beat her fucking
terminology
ass.
and their power systems that might make this fight incompatible. We will also consider Gojo and Makima citizens of the same Japan to balance it out.
It's time for a death battle!
Battle! Gotta love it. And a normal crest incident was reported at local game on. Oh, it was in Pixel? God damn, why I thought this shit was gonna be like 3D or something. God damn, Gojo.
Well, could have been some clicks right about now.
Hey, that boy.
Can't just let a curse do as they please.
Nigga made her so mad. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, different type of animations. Hold on. This might be guys. Hold on there, Satoru. Hold on there, Satoru. Hold that beat. Hold that beat. You thought, bitch, you thought. Hold that, bitch. Hold that, bitch. She not dead. We know how she get down. We learned about her. She not dead. She back.
Careful. I could have died, but that much won't matter to you soon.
Nah, not really.
Worry. I'm Satoru Gojo, the strongest.
Ooh, that shit hurt.
Strong and idiotic. We'll be sure to write it on your tombstone.
Hey, bitch, stop talking to my nigga like that. Fuck. You sound like you trying to raise him or something. I feel like they even them nice moves or something. What the fuck? Psych! Ah, boy! Look at the figure, man! Stop playing! Y'all not gonna touch my nigga, bro. Y'all not just touching me. Like, it ain't that simple. It ain't that fucking simple.
Bang.
Damn!
Bang.
We good. We straight though. Like, we straight. We don't lose this fight. Like, we don't lose this fight. We don't lose this fight. Come on, bro. Who we got on our side, nigga? We got the number one. We got Mr. Number One. We got Mr. Him himself. We got Mr. Him himself. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, nigga. Them little ass little shots, nigga. That shit. Excuse me. That shit ain't it. That ain't it. Stop playing with my nigga, bro. Stop playing with my nigga. My nigga, if this is real, this nigga will not be getting touched by her.
Bang.
3 times?
Bang.
Bang! Oh! Stop the roll! No. Y'all playing.
Wow.
Y'all niggas joking.
Be a good boy and
Y'all niggas joking, bro. Stop playing, bro. Stop playing, bro.
Should I bark too? I'm getting really tired.
Come on, Gojo! What that shit on next time? Stop fucking playing with you, nigga. Tell that bitch to stop playing with you, nigga, man. Fuck you talking about. You know, bro. She's on G fucking G. It's over. She can't survive this. It's over. She's done. So I don't give a fuck who this bitch is. She's done. Done. Get her the fuck out of her. Pack her up. Get her home. Out of here. Out of here. Got her. It's Satoru, nigga. I just told this fucking Satoru. Nigga, stop fucking playing with that nigga, bro. What is wrong with you, nigga, bro? It's fucking Satoru, nigga. KO, nigga. Fuck is what I'm talking about?
Tickets or too soon? Yeah, I'll order them then.
Gojo and Makima were complicated.
I knew all along this shit though. Like I knew all along this shit. That's why I told you I'm that nigga's son for real. Like I'm really me and that nigga so tight. I'm that nigga's son for real, bro. Like this shit Gojo. Ugh, shit, my nose. Nigga, this is not coming out right now. Yo, bro, hold up. Talk about.